Hey friends, if the camera is not working with Microsoft Teams, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, ideally we should select the right camera, but here's the thing. If you check its settings here, you won't find the option for devices at the first place. Maybe there's a section for notification, but none for devices. So how will you change the camera? Now, in this case, you can only change the camera settings from the Windows itself. I mean, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to privacy and security, scroll down and click on camera and make sure that the checkbox associated with Microsoft Teams is on and that camera access is on. And then maybe you can also go to camera device settings and then select the correct connected camera. You can change this one. The next solution is to delete the app data folder associated with Microsoft Teams. So how do we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. Now this will take you to the folder for the app data. Double click on Microsoft because it's a Microsoft product. Right click on Teams, hit the delete key. And then since it's open, we cannot delete it. So we need to close it first and then try again. Okay. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Open Task Manager. Wait for it to load. If you find Teams in this list, right click and end task and then delete the app data folder and see it gets deleted. The next solution will be to perform a disk cleanup on your system because that will erase all files associated with Microsoft Teams even after deleting the app data folder. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Check all of these boxes and then click on yes and then click on delete files and make sure that it deletes all files. And the last solution is obviously to reinstall Microsoft Teams because the option to reset and reinstall it is not there. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to apps, installed apps, and then search for Teams in the search bar. Now corresponding to Teams, click on these three dots here and select uninstall and then uninstall once again, and it will need a while to uninstall. After it gets uninstalled, you can search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Then you can search for Teams and you can install Teams from here, like open this page and then simply click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.